Hi guys, so here's our R53 Mini Cooper S, which will be racing this year in the 750 Motor Club's Roadsports series. It's a standard car at the moment, and we will soon be turning it into our race car. So as you can see, it's still completely standard. Everything will be getting ripped out. It's still got all the bells and whistles from a normal car, but these will all be going, the seats will be going, everything will be getting changed. So here's what the engine bay currently looks like. It's completely standard at the moment. The only thing it's got is a 17% pulley. We'll shortly be putting it on the rolling road to see what it does. Yeah, so watch this space.